Unveiling the Craft, the Art of Pouring the Bronze. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a rather intriguing phrase, pouring the bronze. This term, rich in imagery and history, offers a window into both language and craftsmanship. So, whether you're an English learner aiming to expand your vocabulary or simply curious about unique expressions, you're in for a treat. Pouring the bronze refers to the process of casting bronze by melting the metal and pouring it into a mold where it solidifies. This phrase evokes images of ancient and modern craftsmanship, where artists and workers create everything from statues to bells. Beyond its literal meaning, it symbolizes creation, transformation, and the enduring nature of works made from bronze. The technique of pouring the bronze dates back thousands of years, with its roots in the early civilizations of Mesopotamia, Egypt, China, and the Indus Valley. It played a crucial role in the development of tools, weapons, and art. Understanding this phrase also opens a window into the history of human ingenuity and the evolution of metallurgy. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of craftsmanship that has shaped civilizations. In addition to its literal meaning, pouring the bronze can be used metaphorically. It might symbolize the act of creating something that is meant to last or the dedication to a craft or skill. When someone uses this phrase metaphorically, they might be emphasizing the care, skill, and effort that go into creating something valuable and enduring. Throughout history, bronze casting has been central to the art world, contributing to some of the most iconic sculptures and artifacts known today. Discussing pouring the bronze can lead to fascinating discussions about art, culture, and the significance of bronze works in museums and public spaces around the world. It's a phrase that connects us to the artistic heritage of humanity. And that wraps up our exploration of pouring the bronze. We've journeyed through its literal meaning, historical roots, metaphorical uses, and cultural significance. It's a phrase that encapsulates more than just a process. It's a celebration of human creativity and endurance. We hope this video has not only enriched your English vocabulary but also sparked an interest in the stories behind the words we use. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Happy learning!